Do you feel like you're a lonely individual? Because if you do, there's a chance that you have a very unique way of thinking about the world. Now, I don't mean that it is unique to feel lonely. That's something that many people experience. But a new fMRI study examined the brain activity of a multitude of individuals, some who reported feeling lonely and some who did not. And they found that those who did not report feeling lonely also tended to have more synchronized brain activity when engaged in the same task. In this case, watching 14 different videos that none of the participants had ever seen before. In contrast, though, individuals who reported feeling lonely tended to have what we call idiosyncratic brain responses, meaning not only was their brain activity different from the group that didn't feel lonely, but also different from the other people who also felt lonely. And this was especially true in the default mode network. This is a network of brain regions that has been associated with shared perspectives and shared understanding when those areas fire similarly between two different people. And what was also interesting is this was true even after correcting statistically for things like objective levels of social isolation or number of friends that each person had. In other words, having very unique brain activity in these regions was more connected with the subjective experience of feeling lonely than any of those other objective facts. So if you find that you think very differently from your peers, it might be worth asking the question,